Woohoo! Home stretch! It's actually already May the 1st, 1 a.m. So it's time to get the rest of my plan with me for the new month and the new week. So in this video, I'm going to set up my habit, mood and sleep trackers, my well-being planner, and my weekly 2-page spread for May 2nd to the 8th. So let's go. Hi, my name is Mariane. Welcome. And through my own planning, budgeting, and everything else in between, I hope to inspire you in yours. Now let's get right into it. I will be using today my Zebra mild liners, my Tombow dual brush pens, Kuretake Zig Clean color dot markers, a pen, a ruler, tweezers, and a pair of scissors, sticker pads, washi tapes, and of course my planner insert bullet planner bundle printable. All the details will be in the description below. The planner I'm using is the Filofax A5 Pop Organizer in the color Clover. So let's just move this aside and start with the May header. I'm using different colored Tombows and using a black pen to outline the edge of each letter. Next, I'm just going to add the days of the week or their initials above each date so I can clearly see patterns in my habits during weekdays versus weekends. Now to embellish the top of the page with washi tapes and with stickers. Here I am layering on different width washis and script stickers. Apologies for the out of focus shots here, not sure what happened, but it should come back to focus soon. Here I'm just adding some florals using my Zig Clean dot markers. Check out the video above to see how I created these teardrop petals using the dot markers. Now it's time to move to the sleep and tracker page. Again, layering on some washis and a script sticker saying I love you to the moon and back from the Carpe Diem Bloom sticker pad. So I'm just layering on washis and stickers until it has a nice balance to the page. Add a few more floral effects in the corner of the page. And again, the days of the week above the dates. Next, using the dot markers, I'm going to add on my mood color scale. So green is for great, orange for it's a good day, yellow is when I'm having a meh kind of day, blue when I'm tense or anxious, and pink when sad or angry. Next, I just grab a Muji gel pen in 0.5 and line out 6.5 hours on the sleep tracker grid because that's the ideal goal at the moment I'm trying to aim for with my number of sleeps that I want to try and get, or 6.5 or more. So for the moment, that's it with this spread. Tick! Next is my well-being planner spread. You can get these planner insert printable individually, so check out the links below to my store. First, I'm going to add the dates on my morning journal page using the Carpe Diem numbers sticker pad. Now for the 7th and the 8th, I ran out of those numbers, so I just cut up a number 17 and 18. I then label my morning journal grid columns. First, how I feel, why I feel that way, what can I do to make myself feel better, and what I'm grateful for. This is a great way to start your morning, acknowledging your feeling and accepting it, then creating a plan to make yourself feel better and what you're grateful for. Now at the bottom part, I write out my micro breaks and some daily tasks that help reset for that time of the day. So micro breaks are those breaks you take several times a day for 1 to 2 minutes as a reset. So I have 1 minute deep breathing, coffee break, getting up and stretching, writing down what I'm grateful for another couple of times a day, and tracking my sales and clearing the kitchen counter. So again, more washies and stickers for embellishments. Now for the left hand side of the page, I add my May header. Now if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that you do and helps my channel a great deal. Now with the Wheel of Life methodology, the idea is you want to try and get a good balance in 7 areas of life: mental, physical, spiritual, family, finance, career and social. So I add a daily habit I want to accomplish to try and get that good balance, like reading daily, being active, meditating, family and home management, budgeting and expense tracking, my side hustle, and reaching out to family and friends. I highlight each area with a different color, so when I'm analyzing and coloring in my Wheel of Life pie chart below, I know what each color stands for. I just highlight these bars for the pie chart and what the week it is for. So based on how well I did the previous week, I will also set out 3 priority goals in the new week to ensure I get a good balance and don't neglect certain areas. I also mark out 6.5 hours of sleep on the sleep tracker, and finally a few more stickers. And I'm done. Finally, my 2-page weekly spread. So these were days of the week stickers I made that cut incorrectly with my Cricut Maker, but I didn't want it to go to waste, so I'll be using these to add to the top of each column. I then add the dates with Tombow brush, same technique as the May headers. Now if you are new to my channel and want more detailed explanations of each Plan With Me steps, you can check out previous Plan With Me videos above. I'm just going through this setup quickly as I am a bit behind in my planning for the new month. But I have a question for the season watchers here. Do you prefer fast track version of my Plan With Me, or are you happy to get the Plan With Me's that are a little bit longer and a bit more detailed? Let me know in the comment section below. I am just mindful that we all don't have a lot of time, but if you are watching my videos more at a leisurely time, do you mind the longer videos? I'd be interested to know. The next part is to migrate all the information from my May calendar that pertains to the new week. So these includes when inflow of funds are coming in, therapy sessions for my younger son, when rent is due, school event for my other son, Mother's Day on Sunday, and savings challenge tasks. I like to highlight my tasks with my assigned colors, again so I can visually see if I am getting a good balance of tasks planned and completed for the day or the week. Now the middle portion of each column is for time blocking. So I add scheduled appointments like therapy sessions so I can clearly see it throughout the day and can plan my day accordingly. So let's have a quick review. I have my May monthly cover page done, my May calendar with tasks, appointments and events known so far, my habit, mood, sleep tracker setup. I just need to write down my habits and the order I need to get them done daily, my wellbeing planner page ready to go, and finally my weekly spread. So I'll just add all the daily tasks for each columns like my AM and PM routines, when to clean, when to work out. Actually, let me add my homeschool time block so you can see. We do 9:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. apart from therapy session days where we finish a little bit early. So there you have it. I did eventually get my main plan with me set up done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell to get notifications of when I upload new videos. Yes, got it done. Bye.